If you've ever tried the food probe, you'll never want to cook without it again. This tool helps you to cook foods to perfection. Nothing is overcooked and you always get perfect results. The food probe can be used with most operating modes. We'll show you a few examples. One popular function is soft roasting. This makes meat ultra tender and the food probe ensures you always get perfect results. You can also use the probe with hot air to cook perfectly juicy veal steaks, for example, at a food probe temperature of 55 degrees Celsius. Or how about some delicious cod? Cook at a food probe temperature of 56 degrees Celsius for that professional touch. Talking of professional chefs, have you ever tried V cuisine, also known as sous vide cooking? It's an easy way to get perfect, unique results like the pros. The food probe is ideal for this too. A special pad protects the vacuum. And even when baking bread, it will let you know when the bread is perfectly baked through. In the next step, we'll show you how to insert the food probe correctly. It gives you very precise values owing to the 3 measuring points. Position the tip as close as possible to the center of the thickest part of the food to be cooked. Insert the probe rod as far as possible into the food to get a precise reading. Here's how to connect the food probe to your appliance. In the operating mode you've chosen, you'll now see the information for the food probe. You'll see the current temperature and can enter the desired target food probe temperature here. The current food probe temperature is always shown during the cooking process. If you've entered a target temperature, as we did earlier, the appliance sounds a signal when this has been reached and automatically ends the cooking process. You can be sure that your food is cooked to perfection without having to constantly monitor progress.